Today in the livestock market, cattle finally got a rebound here. Futures did find a bid from those oversold conditions, almost $4 off Friday's low, and I think that that's really bodes well and is allowing some of the traders to, breathe a sigh of relief. The futures did drop below the cash market, and so traders seem to scramble back in to take advantage of that opportunity. Box beef prices are still a little bit weak, but that 139 number, which was a support, seems to be kind of a target right now. We got over 138 today, so that's really the first target to get to as we move higher. But the downslide certainly has been halted for now. The CVAL has jumped up to 20 over 20% now for the live cattle market, and it's not a surprise in light of what's been happening in all the markets actually. See, the feeders firmed up as well. That tight supplies are really on the horizon, and this is why that even though production costs seem to be higher, the expectation that it will increase cash prices, I think that that would give a lot to digest, and really, in light of the fact that we're going to get some tighter supplies going forward, I think that that's what possibly can be underpinning the market. Notwithstanding really the shakeup in demand going forward, because there is some worry about this inflation that's we're dealing with. And let's not look away from the fact that the grain rally is really putting some pressure on the livestock market as a whole. Now, that being said, today hogs were mixed, maybe a little bit firmer today. The futures did extend the downside, though, before it was able to come back. That overflow selling from Friday's limit down situation, I think, is what really started the market a lot lower. But the demand could be a bit of, if the demand starts to slow, maybe because of inflation or because of what's going on around the world, that could jam up a little bit of the supplies right now. But clearly, fundamentally, there is, some issues that still remain. The CVAL in the lean hogs is at 33.9%. And even though we did have a pullback, we're still hanging around that $100 mark. And we're expecting that correction, and we're kind of, fully in the correction right now. So everyone's trying to stabilize and find some footing in the market. But that conflict seems to be overshadowing really all the fundamentals right now. But livestock as a whole is kind of holding its own.